Hello there, welcome back to Self-Improve. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into: how to make $1,000 using AI. Artificial intelligence has opened up a world of possibilities, and we're here to show you how you can leverage it to earn some extra cash. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Segment 1, Understanding AI and its applications. First things first, let's get a quick overview of what artificial intelligence is and how it's being used in various industries. From self-driving cars to recommendation systems, AI is making waves everywhere. But for today's purpose, we'll focus on ways you can harness AI to earn money. Segment 2, Freelancing platforms and AI skills. If you're looking to make money with AI, one great option is through freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a space to showcase your AI skills. Whether it's creating chatbots, data analysis, or even voice assistants, these platforms connect you with clients who need your expertise. Segment 3, Online courses and tutoring. If you're knowledgeable about AI, why not share your insights and earn money by creating and selling online courses? Platforms like Udemy or Coursera allow you to reach a global audience interested in learning AI. Alternatively, you can offer personalized tutoring sessions on platforms like Chegg, Tutors, or Teachable. Segment 4, AI-powered content creation. Content creation is another area where AI shines. You can use AI tools to generate blog posts, social media captions, or even videos. This can save time and enable you to take on more projects, ultimately boosting your earnings. Segment 5, Developing AI-powered apps. If you have programming skills, why not try your hand at developing AI-powered applications? These could range from language translation apps to image recognition tools. You can monetize these apps through in-app purchases, ads, or even a paid version. Segment 6, Participating in AI research projects. Did you know that many researchers and companies look for participants to test and provide feedback on their AI projects? By participating in these projects, you can earn money while helping advance AI technology. Segment 7, AI affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral. You can use AI tools to analyze trends and optimize your marketing efforts, increasing your chances of earning that commission. So there you have it, a variety of ways you can make $1,000 using AI. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or just starting to explore the world of AI, these options offer something for everyone. Remember, it's important to stay updated with the latest AI trends and continuously improve your skills. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting content.